In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use text-to-speech synthesis and dubbing features for multilingual content creation. Whether you're aiming to create content in various languages or need assistance with dubbing projects, these tools can greatly simplify your work. So let's dive into the process and learn how to make the most of these cutting-edge technologies. First, you'll begin by typing in the target language. This is essentially the language in which you want your AI to speak. For instance, if you're creating a piece of content in French, you'll type your text in French. This is the foundation on which the entire process is built, so ensuring you're using the correct language is essential for accurate results. Next up, you'll want to select a multilingual model. Models like 11 Multilingual or 11 Multilingual V2 are excellent choices because they support a wide range of languages. Selecting the right model is crucial as it provides the framework that allows the AI to understand and reproduce the nuances of the target language. Now, if you're aiming for a more sophisticated touch with accents, newer iterations such as 11v3 and later offer an exciting feature known as audio tags. This allows you to have incredible control over accents within a single sentence. For example, if you want to switch to a Spanish accent mid-sentence, you can simply use bracketed cues like accent Spanish. This feature is particularly useful if your content requires accent changes, adding a professional touch to your productions. Moving on to dubbing and larger projects, it's important to choose the correct feature for the task. For longer form content, look to the dubbing or projects feature. These tools are designed to handle the complexities of videos and longer scripts, providing a robust solution to your dubbing needs. When working with dubbing, you'll need to select your languages in the settings. This involves choosing the source language of your original audio, as well as the target language for your dubbing efforts. This step ensures that your content is translated and dubbed accurately, preserving the intended meaning and feel. For those with access to the creator tier, the projects feature really shines. It allows you to switch between languages more seamlessly across different parts of your script. While this feature greatly enhances flexibility, it's worth noting that the process might not be perfectly seamless. Some adjustments and tweaks may be required to achieve the desired level of fluency and naturalness. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using text-to-speech synthesis and dubbing for multilingual projects. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to create polished and engaging content in multiple languages, leveraging the power of AI to reach broader audiences effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!